Hello people. Here we are gonna make an account of Google Ads. Today I'm gonna tell you that how can you make your Google Ads an account, Adword account. So let's just start with first you need to open your browsers or something, Google Chrome maybe utilized. So I have already my linked account here from my gaming launch. So first you need to first you need to do is to search Google Ads. Google Ad. After searching Google Ad, there will be multiple options here, but only you need to log in is the first one, that Google Ads Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan, so here is written Pakistan. In which country you are, so it will be written in your language. If you are from US, Google AdWords US, UK, you Google AdWords UK. So you need to click here. That's the home page of Google Ads and AdWords account. So just ignore all this stuff and click for sign in. Here we are in the sign in accounts. Here is that what is your major goal for creating an account. You need to get more calls, you need to get your website sign in, you need to be people to physically visit your location if you have like a restaurant or something. But if you want to just open an account, so these are all options if you want just to go for directly for advertisement. But first, if you want to make an account, you need to switch to expert move, which is right here. Click to the expert move. There's the multiple options here. At expert mode, you have sales, you have leads, you have traffic, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion. Let's just start with sales. Sales is something like you want to sell your product online. If you want to make an official purchase of something, of your product, of your services, you need to sign into sales, where it can be phones, it can be apps, it can be anything like on a digital platform. Second thing is leads. Leads is something you want to get the content on, like you want to I have a cell phone and I want to sell it to the people, and I want organic leads on something that people will be purchasing on. So here comes leads to create to reach to your potential customers. Then there is website traffic. You want to get some traffics onto your website, so that can be helpful. So the brand consideration, brand awareness, in these two products, for the brand and product consideration and the awareness, are just for the branding purpose only. You don't get the leads on it, you don't want to get the leads on it, but it will be creating your brand awareness. They will be telling the people that how are you working, how it's gonna done. And then the app promotion, like Google Ads, iOS ads, you want applications, you want to sell those applications, so here it is. And local store visits and promotions, like if you have some your physical stores, restaurants, dealerships, stores, local stores, and you want people to come there and buy, increase your sales, so here's something that you can work on. But for me, I just want, if you just want to create an account for these all purposes, you need your cards just right away. So I guess you just, if you want to just create an account, so create an account without a campaign. You just need to click at that option. Here it is. I'm from Pakistan, so my billing address country is for Pakistan. My time and the currency I'm working on, you can select the dollars if you are in US, or if you are UK, from Canadian pound, can be euros. You can select your country, but I will be selecting Pakistani rupee as I'm from Pakistan. So time is okay, Pakistani time, country Pakistan, okay. Pakistani rupee. I guess I need to make a submission. Okay. Here we are onto the explore your account. Congratulations, you are all done. They have Google AdWord also have the iOS and Android app. You can sign into there. There's a helpline services. Learn more if you want to. I just go to the explore your account. So here we are. Okay, we have multiple options here. If you want to create a new campaign, you can go from here for all the searches you want to done, tools and settings, billing, your daily bills and everything would be selected here. But if you want to search a keyword, that how it's gonna work out, so here it is. Uh, keywords planner keywords planner would be telling you that you how the keywords of a keyword you want to buy your budget in. Try it now. Okay, discover a new keyword. Here it is. Search here. Okay. Okay, and I want to search, like I am into gaming purposes. I want to see how Fortnite works on Fortnite gaming video. Let's see how it's been done. Okay, let's get the results. Okay, so here it is that we're gonna tell you that how Fortnite videos, that keywords is pretty low, so it can tell you guys how much average views you can get on this. Shows the competition like Fortnite gaming and get results. Fortnite gaming video. This keyword is pretty low. Here is the bidding range, that how much you want to spend on to get this much value of services or value of your income. So here it is. So I guess this is all. There's a keyword planners, locations you want to search on, and everything you want to get on is Google on all on Google AdWords. So here it is, and let's see what's in reports. If you have something already been working on, so you want to see the reach of a specific campaign, you can go for reports. Billing would be something that how much Google ad are been charging onto your credit cards or something. So I guess that's all from today. Inshallah, see you soon, guys. Thank you.